Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I am going to show you how to install Kodi 17.6 with the best build that works really well. As you all know, Ares Wizard no longer works. You can install Kodi on Fire TV or Firestick with this method. Just follow my instructions. I am gonna go straight to settings, and then I am gonna go to device, and once in device select developer options. Make sure you got app debugging and apps from unknown sources turned on. Once they are turned on, I am gonna go all the way out, and you want to go to the search icon right here and search and type downloader. And here you are, click on it and then click on the cloud to download. Once it installs, we are going to open it. Once it is opened, we are going to install Kodi 17.6. Press allow. Make sure you go to settings. Once you are there, click enable JavaScript, press yes. Go back to home and simply type Kodi.tv, press go. It's going to connect to the website. You are gonna have a little red mouse cursor moving around with D-pad on the Fire TV or Firestick. Go to Android. Scroll down, look for another Android right here, click on it. Once there, click on ARM v7, a 32-bit right here, click on it. Click on install. Once Kodi is installed, we are gonna install best build. Click on gear icon. Open File Manager. Click Add Source. Click None and add source. Click OK. Go back, go to add-ons. Click Dropbox right up there. Select install from zip file. Go to settings and enable allow add-ons from unknown sources. Click yes. Select Kodi or whatever you named it. Select plugin video, no limits wizard zip. Go back to main menu and you will get notification. Click no limits wizard add-on. I am gonna choose no limits magic no 30 section, but you can select any of them. Fire TV or Firestick handles all of them very well. It's going to download and going to extract it. Give it a minute. Once it's extracted, it's going to ask us to force close Kodi. Once it installs, we have to force close Kodi. I will show you how. Hit the home button on your remote, go to settings. Select application. Select manage installed application. Scroll down and click on Kodi and click on force stop. Go back, give it 5 seconds. Go to apps and games. Press on Kodi and we should have no limits build running on Kodi. Here you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.